Hey guys, so we are off on a new adventure today. Today is a travel day and we are leaving Indiana, headed to Ohio. We are going to an amusement park. We are going to Cedar Point. We are going to stay in the campground right there on the property, which is going to be super cool. And I'm a big kid, so I'm ready for all the tall, fun roller coasters. So that is our next adventure. So we're gonna take you along. So let's go. Easy. Come on. Come on, run. My butt's hanging. Easy. Come on. Come. Come. Well, as you can see, Barry is doing the fun job over here of dumping our tanks before we take off. So we'll get that done. Then we'll go ride roller coasters and have a good time. Allie's ready. You ready? Travel day? Izzy, are you ready? Hey, babies. Hi. Okay, guys, I gotta show you something. We just made a stop. It's at a travel service center thing on the side of the highway, but this is the first time we came across this. This is really nice. So this whole section is for RVs. It's really cool. Well, so you see? Look at this. We have all these spots to park overnight with electric. That is cool. And there's a couple of picnic tables over here behind me. It's right off the interstate, so it's a good overnight spot. This is in Ohio, right over the Ohio border. But that's really cool. I'll have to look and see what the amps is over here. I'll have to go over here and look, so let me go see. It's showing 20, 30, and 50, but it says parking permit required, so I guess you go into the building over that way and get that, so I don't know how much it costs, but it's still pretty cool, very convenient. Barry just told me of one more tidbit of information that would be important. You cannot be over 40 feet. Is that over 40 feet total?
Yeah.
Over 40 feet total, so I think we're over 40 feet, so it wouldn't work for us, would it? We'd have to unhitch to be under 40 feet, but still, it's a good idea to have. Well, we made it here, and let me show you our backyard. There you go. I'm gonna show you a little bit closer though. Let's go out here in the parking lot. Well, this is pretty cool. Yeah, being right here. That's being Conquer right there. We got lots of fun stuff planned for tomorrow. Excited. I'm ready. I like amusement parks. Well, here we go. We're going into Cedar Point. Tackle all these roller coasters. This will be fun. And instead of taking the shuttle, we're just walking across the parking lot. What's the point of the shuttle? Unless you have an issue with walking very long, but yeah, you get a free shuttle if you stay at the campground. So we're just walking across the parking lot, headed to get in the park. You ready?
I'm ready.
All right.
Probably gonna be a super long line.
Yeah. All right, our first one, we're gonna start with Gemini. Well, that was a good warm-up. Right?
Yeah.
Good warm-up. Snow White. That's what it says. They got the chicken. Oh. take a little break because it's like an hour and a half or 2 hours to ride a roller coaster. So, train time. Can't get any cars to go by when we go by.
Which this is actually.
There they go. Oh, we're already here. Well, I gotta say that was the shortest train line ever. Alright, we're gonna try Steel Vengeance. We got probably a 2.5 hour wait, which is ridiculous. But we gotta do it while we're here. So, let's see how this is. Up here on the roof and getting some shots of these cool roller coasters behind us. And I was just gonna let you know we're leaving today, and our time at Cedar Point was a lot of fun. We did stay in line for 2 hours and 5 minutes for Steel Vengeance, but it was awesome. And it was a lot of fun. We had to stand in line a lot, but it was busier than we expected for September. But there was an event going on that we didn't realize. So we had a one-day time here at Cedar Point. We stayed in the park, in the campground for 2 nights. And it's a nice campground, but I can't say much about it because we really didn't explore it at all. So there you go, Cedar Point view. And we are off back to Indiana to get some work done at the Grand Design Factory with service. So we got to go back that way. around 4-hour drive. As you can see, I am not put together yet. So I gotta get down here before Barry starts yelling at me and saying, come on, we gotta go. So we will see you in Indiana.